get your ass from around here, you bitch. But I'm gonna stay with it. I'm gonna stick with it. I feel like I'm talking too much. Oh my god, I'm rambling.
Okay.
Hey hotties, it's Hot Chick here, back with another video. In today's video, we are getting into a look, okay, another look. But can we like give some like credit to me being consistent with these videos? No? Okay. But no, really you guys, I've been on it. I've been trying to keep these videos coming for you guys. I appreciate it. We done hit 11K, y'all. 11K subscribers. Like, come on. Like, who at 11K, period? Thank y'all. I appreciate y'all, all my hotties. Y'all are amazing. But if you are interested in getting this springy, rose goldy, turquoisey type of look, definitely stay tuned. I love y'all. See y'all in my next one. Okay guys, let's get into it. So I already did my brows off camera. Updated brow routine will be coming soon, so definitely give this video a thumbs up. And we are going into the Jlarue eyeshadow base, and we're just placing this all over our eye, just patting it all over the lid so the colors can pop, okay? And we are going to take this OPV palette, and we're gonna like use like the rose gold shades and like the browns and all of that good jazz. So I'm just placing this shade into my crease and just blending outwards. I'm just blowing this color outwards and using that orangey shade on the outer edges to blow it out a little bit more. Now we're taking that same base and placing it on our lids so that the rose gold shade can pop. And I'm just patting that all over the base, making sure that base is set. Now we're taking this brown shade and we're just gonna define the outer V and just blow it out, nothing too crazy. I'm just using patting like motions just to blend out that brown. Now we're taking some eyeliner and we're just making a simple line just so when we put our lashes on, it's like camouflaged. And we just popping on these lashes, making sure that they are secured. Do you hear me? Secured. Now we're taking the Jlarue matte primer. I love this primer, it's really bomb. And I have a coupon code, so y'all check the description box for all of the details down below. Now we're taking the Juvia's Place Eye Magic foundation. My color is in Kano, and we're just gonna pat this in and blend this out. And I'm taking this sponge from Dark Skin Makeup Daily, and we're just gonna diffuse this foundation all over our skin. Next, we are taking our Juvia's Place concealer and we're placing it in all our highlighted areas. I do have a in-depth highlighting and contouring video. If you guys are interested, I will link it below. I am taking the Juvia's Place shade sticks and I'm mixing two colors. I'm mixing the Kano and the Katsina shades just to give me more of a simple contour. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. And just make sure that you are blending your contours and just patting it in. Like, I feel like, you know, in order to get that seamless blend, you have to just pat and just pat over and over, just so you know that you have that blend down pat, okay? Now let's go into setting. We are taking our OPV medium powder and we're just going to set all the highlighted areas and make sure that we bake a little bit just for like a bright under eye. And we're going to go ahead and set the rest of our face with this MAC powder. Y'all, I really do love this Morphe bronzer. This color is in Supreme. Like, y'all, it's super big too, so it's definitely worth the money. It's not super expensive either, so y'all check this bronzer out. It's really dope. Now we're taking this turquoise type of color pencil from Hard Candy, and we're gonna go ahead and set that down with that blue shade in the OPV Tropical palette. And what I like to do with my under eye setting powder, I like to just press it in so that the blend is seamless. So it's blush time. And we're just gonna add this on our cheeks and, you know, bring the look together. At one point in life, I didn't like blush, but y'all, I love blush now, okay? Love it. So now we're gonna finish off the look with some B. Simone lip gloss. And I love this color, it's really cute. I don't usually wear shades like this, but for this look, it definitely worked. And let's go ahead and spray our face down with some Morphe. This is my favorite setting spray, by the way, so it's really dope. It's really good. I love it. And there we have it. We have the finished and complete look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. More videos are coming your way. And I will see you guys in my next one. Peace out.